Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to look at this brand here, Eufy security camera for inside. The box contains a camera with the feet, contain the cable, and this is 6 foot, contain some screw if you want to mount on the wall. You have the mount for the wall when it's time to install the camera. You have the power outlet, SUB, and you have quick start guide. And this guy is only in English. Mind you, this cable is 6 foot long, and one side you have USB, and the other side it's micro USB. If you need longer one, you can always buy. What I did, I tried it with another one, and this guy was working perfectly. Let me show you another feature I really like about this camera here. On the bottom, you can see two holes, and the mount, you can see it. You have two pin outside. So you just need to put the screw here, install on the wall. You take the camera and voila, just put it like that, and when you're finished it's perfect, and voila. So that's going to be the how is going to be installed. Let me show you how this camera is moving. Here I'm going to show you in front. You cannot bend by the front, but if you turn on the other way, you're going to see you can bend all the way down. So that's going to be 90 degrees. If you want, put it up, and you can turn 360 degree if you want. Okay, the height of this camera with the feet is 4 inch, and the size of the camera is 2 inch by 2 inch. Sorry. On the side, you're going to see where exactly you can put your micro SD card, and in the back you have like a on and off switch and the power micro USB. What is not included, it's the micro SD card. You need to buy it one. Mine, it's 128 gig. Okay, I'm going to put the link down there. If you need some more information than what I'm going to tell you, for installation of this camera on your cell phone or tablet or anywhere else, here's some feature about the app. So we have the camera on if you want to put it on or off, but don't forget to put it on when you do the installation. You have the status of LED, you have auto night vision, you have the motion detector. Here I show where exactly I put it. You have the sound detector if you have a baby. You have pet command if you have dogs. And you have video quality. Me, what I did, I put it on 1080p. But if you want, you can put it on 2K. And 2K, it's going to be, let me tell you what exactly is 2K. It's 1920 by 1080, and that's going to be the 2K. And you have the sound audio, and this is going to be if you need to put it all the way up the microphone or all the way up your sound, that's going to be your choice. And this guy is working on 2.4 gig, not 5 gig. And you need to put your cell phone or your tablet to 2.4 gig. Okay, what I really like about this item, this Eufy camera security, it's you have two choices. You have the first one, you can download everything on the cloud, or you do like me, put a micro SD card inside, and this guy is going to start each time you need to, or somebody passing or a pet passing in front of the camera, that camera is going to start. And you have a continue loop. So this guy is going to work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. The feature I love about this camera, it's when somebody is in front of your door and you don't like him, just press on the icon alarm, listen. And this guy is going to alarm for 30 seconds. Or if you want, you can always press on the X, shut off your alarm. I hope you like this video. If you love it, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And the link for if you want to buy it, it's going to be down there. And see you in the next one.